Oh God, I shouldn't have done that. Oh, that was painful. God damn. Hey everyone, welcome to Geek Tab. So this is the second video to my custom build. The first video was showing you all the peripherals to the computer. In this video, I'm going to show you all the components that's gonna go inside of my tower. The tower that I initially said that I was going to get was going to be released in October 16th. All it was a Fantech Evolve full tower. They have the mid tower, but I wanted the full tower, but it's going to take too long and I have all the components here, so I'm literally ready to build. The only thing that's missing is the tower, and I can't wait. So anyway, this video I'm going to be showing you all the components that's going to go inside of that, and then in the third video I'll show you a quick video of the actual tower, which has been out, so it'll be quick and short, and then I'll do a build log. So let's go ahead and get right into what's going to go inside the actual PC. So the first thing I have here is a 3 terabyte hard drive. It will store all of my games, anything that is going to go above and beyond storing on the SSD. The SSD is a Samsung SSD 850 EVO, which is to boot up the PC and to run things quickly. The third thing I have here is the Ripjaws 5, designed for the 6th gen Intel Core processor. It's DDR4, it's 2 sticks of 8 gigabytes, making a total of 16 gigabytes. I am going to get 2 more to make it a total of 32 gigabytes, but at the moment I think this will do just fine. The next thing that I have here is the power supply, which is made by Seasonic. It's a 1050 watt power supply, 80 plus gold, which should power, well, when I was putting this list on PCPartsList.com, PC Part Picker, it told me it'll consume like 750 to 800 watts. Yeah, so that's that. The next thing that I do have is the CPU by Intel. It's their new Skylake processors. It's a Core i7 unlocked, i7 6700K, LGA 1151 socket. So yeah, that's that. The next thing is the CPU cooler made by Corsair. It's the H100i GTX from their Hydro series. The next thing is the motherboard made by Asus. It's the Maximus V3 Hero motherboard designed for gamers. So it'll support both of the cards, my CPU, and everything that goes with it. The next thing I have here, I think I have one more thing. No, 2 more things. Okay. Well, first off, I have this kit that I got. It's from Rosewell. It's a company. I got it on Newegg for like $29. 45-piece premium computer toolkit. It should help me build the PC fairly easily with these tools, which what I've been told, all you need is a Phillips screwdriver and you should be fine, but I like to be prepared. The big contenders of these parts is the graphics card. So I do have 2 GTX 980 Ti gaming 6G, so 6 gigabytes of memory. It's a beast. I've seen some benchmarks online running at 4K, which I do want to run at, and it did very well. And having both cards isn't enough. I went ahead and got MSI SLI Bridge, so I'm going to run these two in SLI, and it should kick me up a couple frames in game. So yeah, that pretty much wraps up all the components that are going to go into the PC. It's about 9 to 12 components that go inside. Yeah, so thank you very much for watching. I do hope that you watch my other videos that I post. The next one, like I said, will be the case, and after that I will do a build log. Okay, thank you very much. See you in the next video.